And so we don't have a lot of ambition. So, well, today I'm going to do this and then just, make it work. And as long as I am kind of busy, but I have my children, or I am going to have my children, so I better not start something really big, so I can't really commit myself to it. So we'll just do whatever in the meantime until I get married. And once I get married, then, then I don't want to hold the job. I want to stay home and, take care of the children. So as a result, they don't expect a lot out of themselves. They don't expect a lot in terms of the goals they can set for themselves and the accomplishments they can make from life. So on one spectrum, there's this person who totally pushes themselves onto others to a point where they're breaking respectful boundaries of other people. On the other end of the spectrum is somebody who doesn't push themselves enough. You see the spectrum here? The picture doesn't have to be one or the other. It's somewhere in between where that's ideal, where you can have your cake and eat it too. Okay? So hopefully that's part of what we will discuss, and that's part of what you can do to make that happen.